Hi, Tito Boy. Yeah. Yeah, ko niya. Ay, Tito Boy ng New Zealand ice cream. Yun namang isa, umiinom naman ng New Zealand beer. Welcome to New Zealand, guys. Ayun New Zealand pepper sauce. Wala nyo. Teka lang. Tapos na ako sa iyo. Sarap bulalo talaga, Tito Boy.
Masarap siya nagluto na beef stroganoff.
Ay, ano yan? Stroganoff? Parang ano yun parang pangmayaman yun na pang hotel
May isa pa kayo niluto ng Tito Boy
Ano yun?
Pasta.
Shrimp pasta.
Tomorrow.
Morning guys, day 2 ng ating Hamilton trip. Let's go. Hello driver.
Hello, day 2.
Hello day 2. Good morning. Good morning, tita. Morning, tita. Yan, day 2, day 2, day 2. Coffee time. Okay, yung mga guys natin dun, ano na rin. Boys, ready na sila lahat. Yeah, let's go guys.
Hi!
Tita Boy.
Oh.
Diyan ka na ha.
Oo.
Diyan ka na sa kay Rose ha. Palit na mga ni Kali. Sure na ha, 100% Tita Boy ha.
Try mo muna yan. Baka naman hindi yan.
Tita, maganda ang quality nito, wag kang mag-alala. Ano ka ba?
Sino mag-ano?
$1,000 to, no?
12 seconds later.
Hello. Hi, Tita.
Yes, sir.
Tiffany, you missed the scenic views.
Not to begin.
Ah.
Not the first.
I know.
Not the first.
Yeah, you missed that Tirao. You missed the Tirao. The dog. Yeah, maybe later. Tita, ito dahil yung order Eh kasi 100 kilometers per hour ako drive eh. Yeah, video. Tiffany, you will see it in my vlog. I'll send it to you. My YouTube channel.
Meron ko ba tayo yung order? Wala na.
Tito, dami niyan, tita. McDo na sa Amerika, McDo pa rin dito, tito ah. Hindi kita, tita. Careful, careful. So, tita, nakita mo na ngayon yung airplane na pinagmamalaki nila. Ay, linis nila. Yun, oh.
One person, one table. Dito na lang ako. Pwede nung buksan ko. Dati, di ba?
Hindi, bukas. Bukas na yun
Tita.
dati, Papa.
Okay.
Bukas yan. Kali. Hindi, naka 0.5 po. Para.
Meron ng bisita. Ah, meron dyan, tita.
Ayan.
Upo kayo sa loob.
Oh. Anong meron dyan, kuya?
And James.
Ah.
Kitan.
Sige lang, upo ka lang dyan. Ay, smile ka, pinipicturean tayo. Dali, ay, smile ka. Hi! Ah.
Sino na?
Oh,
Pwede ako dyan.
wow. Sakay ka kali, hindi ka ba kasya?
Hindi po.
Yung inside ng ano, ng airplane. Ang galing ah. Hi guys.
Hello. Was I recording? Nice.
Yes.
Dati dun daw sa ano.
Good time dinner.
It was big.
Dati yung kinakasabang tita.
Yes, tita.
Pizza and beer.
Pizza and beer.
Dun sa...
Wala tita, i-edit ko yan, hindi yan kasama. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Pizza and beer.
Tita, edit ko yan. Naka-edit yan. Ah, sige tita, pizza and beer. Tapa, sige tita.
Doon tayo magdi-dinner mamaya. Nakita mo
Pizza
yan?
and beer.
It's bad things that the information.
Ah, sige po.
Sa brewery. and-
Ayaw niyo po sa ano? Ayaw niyo dun sa Gandola. Meron doon.
Yung may wine set.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Welcome to my vlog. Oh, you have small camera? Oh my god, you can see it there?
Small little
Oh.
The screen's a little broken, but
Have you printed it already? Have you seen it on computer?
yeah, on computer, yeah.
Oh, really? So it's
Pretty
nice?
small.
Ah. Tita, 10,000. Dito, $10,000 dito.
Sagot ka natin $10. Dahil mo $5.
Hi! Morning!
Sino kayo?
Man, tito, maraming pera tito, dami pera.
Ito, may tip pala.
Ayan, meron tito. Let's try.
No, tito. Hoy.
Yeah, brother, wait. Yeah, boss, you will try, boss.
Can I have a go?
Yeah.
I'll try. Sure. Do you have a card on you?
No, what?
Yeah, we it's just for 2 weeks because we're opening a new building. So
Oh, tito, ayan na, oh, ayan na. Tito, ano yan, tito? Ano yan? Ah, tito, ano daw eh. Warm up, warm up. Let's go, tito.
$25. Where are you guys from?
Yeah, Pangare.
Oh yeah. Are you in? Oh cool. Oh awesome. I wish the best weather.
I know, right? Tito, doon ka na dito sa side na yan, tito.
What's glove you gonna use? So 5 for a service. Yeah, but they're all open. You have played before? No. 5. Yeah, 5 or 6. There's actually wind behind us, so it'll help you.
Me, picture. Abidyo ako.
minutes later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
It's a happy day, beautiful day. The joy is here to stay.
Go, tita. All in the hips.
Like a grumpy
Ah.
cat, maybe skip the dramatic act. There's no need for any reason to just cheer. It's happy to
All in
see
naman yan, all in
us.
naman, ah. Uy!
Let's not wait any longer.
Ooh! Nice shot, tita. Nice shot.
Life is not a patient. Heads up, see the signs in the sky. It's a happy day. All the clouds have moved away. It's a happy
Hey!
the joy is here to stay. It's a happy day.
Hey!
Clouds have moved away. It's a happy day. The joy is here
Go,
to
go, go,
stay.
go. Hey! Go, go. You can do it, baby. Ah!
Hello, hey, how are you? Will you wait for
Wait, wait, wait.
something good to happen here? To
Go,
happen
Kalin.
that makes you feel simply wonderful.
Lakan mo, ha? Lakan mo, ha?
Not wait any longer. I would.
Oh! Layo nun, ha? Ay, siya na
Life is not a patient cup holder. Heads up, see the signs in the sky. It's a happy
Layo!
the joy is here to stay. It's a happy day. All the clouds have moved away.
Daming places pa dito. Nandito po. Daddy.
Ha?
Tingnan mo po doon.
Oh, sarap yan ah. Lokwat pa yan? Lokwat?
Lokwat.
Bayabas. Di ba yung bayabas?
Meron kami sa bahay.
Wow!
Si Don Pepper.
Lakas, tita, no? Lakas.
Asan yung falls?
Ay, ayan lang. Andun pa. Ay, wala mang falls dito. Parang ano lang yan. River, Waikato River.
Wala nag-ano dito? Yung
Nagbaboat.
rapids? Rapids? Yung nakasakay sa rubber boat na...
Ah, meron dito, doon. Doon po, doon po. Punta po tayo doon.
Hindi naman siya rapid.
Thanks, Derek. Ayun na. Ay, this is a video po. Video, hello. Mami, picture mo na siya. Let's go dito there. Let's walk there. Mas maganda pa yung scene dun eh. Boys, let's go.
Daddy, dito nangyari na pa.
Okay, okay.
Two hours later.
Okay guys, we're here na.
In the
Tayo.
Hobbiton.
Ano tayo?
We're in the Hobbiton in Hamilton.
Yes! Yun sila oh. The force be with you. And the port be with you.
You need a cloak, Tiffany. Tiffany, you need the hood.
What about you, Peter? Where's yours? He's the explorer. No, we have not. We're still waiting. He wants to explore the mystery.
Have a good one.
Have a good one. Have a good Hagrid!
Hi guys! Welcome to Hobbiton.
Mali, Harry Potter yan.
Ha? Ano tita?
Gusto ko dun. Picture mo dito may tupa habang walang tao. Tupa.
Sure tita.
Tupa. Tupa.
Tingnan natin yung mukha. I'm glad we got the photo of Gandalf and Boromir.
I know, right?
Sino? Si Kuya Derek. Si Kuya CJ. Si Kuya CJ daw nandun. Na? Oo, parang hindi sila nagbebenta ng Lord of the Rings dito. Parang wala kang makita ng Lord of the Rings dito eh. Oh, puro Pokemon eh. Hanap tayo, ikot tayo, baka meron. Dito taas. Ay, ito, cafe pala yan. Ang galing ng enta na kayo. Yeah. At last, mami, makapunta tayo ng Hobbiton set.
I know. I've
Diba?
been meaning to see the Hobbiton.
I know, right? Mami, may ticket.
I'm really a fan.
Pa, hindi mo nga napanood yan? Ito na kami sa Hobbiton na bus. Morning, boss! Wala nang... Napunta?
Pati yung kay Kuya Ethan. Kay Kuya Ethan. Wala tayong bayan.
Ayun, parang...
Welcome everyone. So my name's John, as you didn't hear on the bus today, so absolutely fine. As we go around Hobbiton, I'm going to be your guide today, show you absolutely everything. But before we do all the safety stuff, I do like to ask everyone a couple of questions. They're not tricky questions, don't worry, there's no wrong answers to these questions. But who's seen the Hobbit movies? Pretty cool. Who's seen The Lord of the Rings? No? Very cool. Has anyone read The Hobbit? A few left hands. Down here, some over there. Has anyone read The Lord of the Rings? No? Did anyone read The Silmarillion?
Twilight.
Nice. Did anyone never see The Hobbit, never see The Lord of the Rings? No idea where they are?
Me, that's there.
Not a problem, not anything to worry about.
Come on. Come here, come on. Bilbo Baggins.
Isang bahay ng mga dwarfs.
Oo nga eh. Hindi naman sila dwarfs, hobbits sila, hobbits.
There's a good spot back there. You guys found a good spot. A photo spot right here.
Ano? Ganda, di ba? Parang napanood mo sa movie. Wow, that's nice. Wow. Nausok pa oh.
And all the cow as well. And then when he gets to up here, his friend says to him, "Hey, Mr. Bilbo, where are you off to?" And he says, "I can't stop, I'm already late." As he runs off this way, "Late for what?" And then Bilbo runs out that gap we came in, and that's where he shouts, "I'm going on an adventure!"
Ah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes. I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
He's going to make his mind up very soon, so we're going to head on other places. But if you really want to do it, we can set out to...
Ah, no, not me. Hoy.
I think we're unsure about that one. So let's go and see some more Hobbit holes. We've got a load.
Sabi mo, yes. Pumunta ka doon.
Ay, sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
No, wag mo.
You want to save the mark out for the
Ito? Ano yan? May kalabaw si Frodo. Ayun, Frodo yung pangalan niya. Mama. Tapos dyan niya pinaligo. Diba?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. You're a little bit out of the light. If you come a little bit further forward, maybe, my friend. Yeah, just a bit. Yeah, there you go. Right now.
Dito daw yung bahay ni Sam. Samboy. Si Samboy. Si Samboy. Yung ano, bahay ni Samboy. Ito yung best friend ni ni Frodo. Ayan. Wala, ganyan pala siya nakatira.
Bakit binigyan ka ba nagsasalita siya?
Ako na ang kanilang ano. Yan ang bahay ni Sam. Kaya pala malaki kasi mataba siya. Ha? Yung tao?
Kita lang, ato yung tao sa ba? Ha? Nagbabasa yung libro.
Puti, no? Kulay puti buhok.
Anong kulay bubukak ni Sam?
Puti. Yo, buti na lang. Ang cute. Shot, puno.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Yo, tita. Ano pa nang inom, tita? Kaya hapon ka pa, ha? Kahapon ka pa, tita, ha? Hapon ka pa. And that's the end of the tour. Yes. Yes. Let's go home.
10 seconds later.
Okay guys, so our next stop will be here. You know what's this place? Ta-da! You know what's this place? What? Yeah. We're calling this one the Spring. The Blue Spring. Let's go guys.
Mami. Ganyan ang house sa gabi. Oh, did you see the blue? No, don't see the blue.
15 minutes later.
Puro biwax na. Beeswax pala, beeswax.
Ayun yung ginagawa ko sa kung ayaw niya pa. Oo nga pala.
Bees ba yan? Ito ang bees.
Hinabol tayo ng blue. Ito, Tita Lynn, anti-aging.
Lotion to?
Para siyang bomb. Sa makasakat na part ng katawan.
Ay, oo nga. Ang ganda.
Tingnan mo natin.
Umalis, nawala yung sakit ng katawan. Oh. Tita, bagay sa yan para anti-stress. Dali, bili ka yan.
Subukan ko muna eh.
Yan.
Ito the boy.
Sige nga, tita. Parang pinaalis mo si Tito Boy, ah.
Ito pampaalis ng stress.
Parang pinaalis mo si Tito Boy. Ano? Wow, that's nice. Uy!
Daddy, yung honeycomb.
So this is ginger made that we try. It's basically honey wine. Oh, honey wine.
Oh, honey wine, your favorite wine.
Wanting to try it? Yeah. Try. Any for you? Thank you. Would you like some?
Ah, yes, please.
Where is this? Too much ginger for you guys? He likes it. I did. Yeah. He likes everything. Honey wine.
Thanks.
Honey wine. Is that this one here? It's the ginger one. The ginger one.
I'm driving.
Oo nga, masarap siya kasi gusto ko sa wine sweet.
Again, 12.5% alcohol in those ones. How much alcohol?
How many percent?
12.5.
Oh, it's high.
How does he do honey wine?
You try.
Let's try this. Are you guys doing try some? Yes, please. Yeah. And some for you? Yes, please. So they've just tried the ginger. I'll give you the ginger one as well. Did you want to try some of this? $18.
Kampay. Yan. Kampay, Kuya CJ. How is it? Kuya CJ, how is it? Kuya, how is it? Kuya, how is it?
Oh, it's good.
Good? Yeah. Hindi pang lasing. Hindi pang lasing. Hindi masyado.
Pang-lasa.
Ah.
Daddy, may tasting din 30%.
Ayan, try mo.
Make sure that load it down in
Try mo, Kali. Try mo. Kakahingi ka rin.
Atlantic Gold is this one. This is 38%. Kaya pala ang sarap, $90.
Kaya kahit tita.
Really, it's 32% alcohol.
Wow.
38. That one's more. You gonna try? Yeah.
Yeah, she
Which
will.
one is this one? That one? So you've got the Highland Lass, which is 32%. And then the butterscotch finish. Highland Lass is the one that you're trying. And then the Atlantic Gold is this one. Okay. Are we giving it a go?
Yeah. CJ, eto masarap din.
Here you go.
You want to try this?
Tita, game. Tagay. Yan. Boom. 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 Panis. Ayun. Ano, tita? Masarap.
Sarap. Pero okay na ako dun sa 50.
Tita. Oh.
How about you, Dee?
Yes, please.
So the different taste, the different flavor comes from like different
From the
beef,
like from the different.
kind of.
No, not the beef. It's the different types of flours. Like the beef.
Oh, okay.
And this is the one that.
Ah, yeah, that's
Many Tic Tacs later.
Yan, tita. Yan, tita, nakita mo na yung mga nakausap, tita.
Oh, the smokes right there. Punta kami sa nasa sa Bonkas.
Oh, be careful. 15 minutes additional.
Para
Makita niyo po siya. Dun sa back.
yun yung mga busok.
Marami yan, tita. Let's go. Let's go walk. Init, ah.
Fort bomb. Radio fort bomb. Again.
So yun nga guys, no? Kausok fart bomb.
Fort bomb.
Ay, may sunog.
Umutot ng galing.
Hindi naman mabaho dito sa Rotorua yung mabaho, anak. Dito walang amoy yata to.
Pupuntahan ba natin yung parang amoy?
Oo, doon yun. Oo, doon yun.
May basketball.
Oo, dito hindi. Kaya walang amoy dito. Wala akong naamoy.
Dito ka po.
Amoy gili-gili. Oo nga, may amoy nga, baho. Baho. Amoy paa. Amoy paa. Ayun o, kaya sabi dito, amoy paa. Ayan.
What's that sound?
The water.
Oversee. You're hugging it, Tiffany. Yeah. Oh, they call it that. What they call that? Furrow, whatever.
Here.
Huh?
Furry?
Something like that. Look it up. What do they call that? The bubbling mud.
Boba.
Bubble bath. Bubble bath. Bubble 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 bath.
Furrow, something. Fairy.
Tara, magluto ng itlog. Let's cook it.
The one in Lassen volcano. This is even bigger than this.
Kuya CJ, the exit was there. Yay! Amazing. You made it.
I survived.
Yay!
Welcome back, people. You look alive, people.
A few inches later.
Bakit? Dami pala eh. Yeah, I know. Hi. Good morning. Kita Len. Morning, Kita Len. Good morning. Kain ka ng ano?
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Dreams take me higher into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light. Stars in the black night fuse to ignite. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. Roads never traveled, mystery in each turn. Lessons unravel, feel the yearning burn. Eyes on the horizon, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us, come on let's glide. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. Love's not the harmful, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us, come on let's glide. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time.
Go. Ayan, meron nga, meron. It's a big one.
The big one.
The big
Yeah!
one.
Oh, over there, over
Yay!
there. Over here, over here.
Up, more. Baka mahulog.
Yeah, mahulog. Yeah! Derek, para ikaw.
That's a nice size.
Now we can go.
Still small, pero, but not too bad.
Pwede na yan.
Picture kita.
Picture,
Sige pa,
picture.
move mo pa, pataas.
Move sa kanya.
Dali, wait, picture mo
Pakita sa
na.
kanya. Not too
Kaya
close. There
Derek,
you go.
hold the,
Like
ano,
that.
hold the thing.
The wire.
Yes.
There you go. Hold it.
Little